Is your Dexter washer freezing mid-cycle, misfiring commands, or showing control errors? This is the 9473-009-005 Washer Control A for Dexter, a genuine replacement designed to restore full machine functionality. It compares to part numbers 9473-009-004, 9473-009-001, 9473-009-002, and 9473-009-003. Guest, making it a direct, worry-free swap for technicians and owners. Engineered for reliability and precise cycle control, this board helps reduce downtime, protect critical components, and keep operations running smoothly 24/7. Ideal for laundromats, hospitality locations, and commercial laundry facilities. Order the 9473-009-005 today from lowlaundry.com, your trusted source for original Dexter laundry parts